Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from the Samsung Galaxy A07 to your laptop. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone and connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your smartphone. After that, now on your smartphone, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the notifications panel. If you cannot find this notification, then use a different charging cable, as yours might not support data transfer. And from here you will find this notification. Just tap on it and select transferring files. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on continue. After you select transferring files on your Samsung phone, now on your laptop, just open the File Explorer app, or you can open this PC. From here, just make sure you click on this PC, and on this page you will find the name of your smartphone. Just click on it, then click on internal storage, and from here you will be able to transfer files from your smartphone to your laptop. For an example, I will transfer this photo from my smartphone to my laptop. For that, I will open the Pictures folder. Now just open this folder. Then go to this folder, and from here we will find this picture on our smartphone. Now to transfer this photo from my smartphone to my laptop, I will drag this picture and drop it on my desktop. Just like that. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred this photo from our smartphone to our laptop. And this is how you can transfer data from your smartphone to your laptop. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.